Alright guys, you are welcome to Dice Media TV once again. That is my YouTube channel name, and Dice Crypto is TikTok. Alright, today I'm going to teach you how to earn MINIPEPE airdrop for free. You are going to earn around 500 million MINIPEPE. Alright, so I'll be leaving the referral link in the description box. Those on WhatsApp to you be getting it at the group, and also if you want to join us at our WhatsApp group, you can join the link in the description box, the WhatsApp link. You can join it. Alright, when you tap on the referral link in the description box or the one at WhatsApp group, it will redirect you to Telegram post like this. So what you have to do is go to start. When you go to start, they will ask you to join their Telegram channel. Then you join, you go back, you join their group. Then you go back, you join their sponsor channel. Join the sponsor channel. You join, you go back. Then they will ask you to enter your username. So username at. Alright, so when you enter the senior boss, there's what will come. So what you have to do is to copy the contract address. So when you tap on this one, it will copy automatically. So this is their contract address. When you go to next, this is what it will come. They will ask you to, it says like and reply this tweet and also retweet. Okay, so you tap on it. Let me check this one too. Alright, so it has opened. So what you are going to do is this. So when they say like, this is the like. Then we say retweet, this is the retweet. The ones that the arrows goes up and down. Then you go to retweet. Alright, so then you follow them. Then you go back to your Telegram bot. Then it says follow MINIPEPE Twitter. So you tap on that one too. Then you open. Tap on that one and you open. So this is the MINIPEPE Twitter account. So you follow them. Then you go back to your Telegram bot. This says like and retweet the pinned tweet. Comment D. So you have to tap on this one and it will copy automatically. Then you go to the pinned post again. Then you open. Alright, so when you come to this place, the first post is the retweet. Sorry, they are pinned post. So you just have to like, then you retweet. Then you go to comment. Then you are going to paste what you copied from the Telegram bot as the comment. Then you reply. So they will ask you to share their retweet link. So this is what you are going to close your Twitter account. So when you go back, after you have closed the Twitter account, after you have closed it from your phone tab, come back. So after you have closed it, go and tap on the Twitter account, Twitter again. Then when you come, go to your profile. Go to profile. Yeah, tap on the image there, go to profile. So you will see that you retweet or you retweeted, means you have retweeted their post. So what you have to do is go to the share button here, then you copy. So there's the retweet. Then you come back to the Telegram bot. So they say send your retweet link. So you are going to paste the retweet link here. Alright, then you submit. So they'll ask you to submit or send your BEP20 address. So what you are going to do is go back to top and copy their contract address. This is their contract address. So when you tap it, it pins automatically. So what you have to do next is to go to your Trust wallet. You are going to copy your BEP20 address of the MINIPEPE. So you have to go to the symbol on top here, then the address that you copied, just go to the plus button, then go to select the network here from Ethereum to BNB Smart Chain, then paste in the address that you copied. Everything will fill automatically at these 3 columns. Then you save it. So as you can see, I have received mine already. So then you copy your address, then you go and paste it at the Telegram bot. So you paste your address, then you send it to them. So it says on redrawn token is 500 million Pepe or MINIPEPE, and redrawn token is 0. So I haven't redrawn anything, and it says each person that you refer, they are going to give you that is 100 million Pepe. All right, so that's how it is. Then there's your referral link that you can use to refer people to earn more. So you can choose to withdraw the 500 million pieces of MINIPEPE, or you can choose to refer more people to earn more. The next thing that you can do is go to withdraw. Alright, so when you go to withdraw, within the next 3 to 4 hours, the money will be credited into your Trust wallet account.